Yeah, what's up everyone? Kira the investor here, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to start dropshipping right now. All you need to start dropshipping. Of course, I'm not gonna go into details. I'm just gonna show y'all how to do it. You can go ahead and search for details for every step that I'm gonna show y'all right now. So let's just start. Now, first thing you're gonna do is go ahead to shopify.com, or you can search for a better store. Shopify is the main store that everybody uses for dropshipping, by the way. You're gonna go ahead and create a Shopify store. You don't need to pay anything at first because they will give you maybe like a 15 days free trial right here. Just gonna go ahead and click on start free trial and create your store. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna show you how to do it. Now the second thing is you're gonna go ahead into to find the winning product. You're gonna go ahead to TikTok and search for TikTok made me buy it. That's how you're gonna see winning products, viral products that you can buy. Now you go ahead and filter this with your phone. I don't got the filter option on my desktop. I don't know why. You're gonna filter it and say products that they launched or they published like a day or maybe a week ago. Let's say, for example, this product right here, 5 days ago, 1.6 million views. That's huge. So this product is pretty viral. You're gonna go ahead and click on the product. What you need to do next is you are going to go to the store that the owner of the product launched. You're gonna go, this is his store. I'm not gonna go to his store, by the way. After you do that, you're gonna see the product name, everything about the product. Now you see the price. His price is probably gonna be like let's say $25 for this product. I don't know the product. What is the product? $25 for the product. What you need to do next is go to Alibaba and go to the first website here. After you do that, you're gonna search for the name of the product. This is the website that all e-commerce people are using, or dropshipping people are using. This website here, Alibaba. You can buy products for cheap price because you're gonna buy a lot of products from it, so you can sell them in your online business. So what you need to do next, so as I said, what you need to do next is go ahead and search for the product that you are going to use here to sell, and buy it from here. You're gonna buy a lot of these products that you are going to sell. So what you need to do next is you need to advertise the product that you are going to sell. What you need to use is Meta here, Facebook, Instagram, Meta platforms, and or TikTok ads. Now let me tell you something. Meta is better if your product is viral at your city or state or wherever, at your space, like close to you. Meta is better because Meta will show the product specifically to people that are from your city or whatever. But TikTok is cheaper, but it will show it probably to some random people that don't care about the product. That's what Facebook is better at, but TikTok is cheaper, and TikTok is going to show it to more people because a lot of people use TikTok, but Facebook not too much. Maybe Instagram is better, but TikTok is still better for viral products. As for now, let's say you launch the product, you launch the ads. There is, by the way, another choice if you don't want to pay for ads. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about it later, but for now you're gonna launch ads. Let's say the product here is $25. Here it's gonna be like $3 to $7. I said $7 is the maximum for one piece. Of course, you are going to sell your choice, higher than this one or lower than this one. It's your choice. But as I said, there is another option, that if you don't want to pay for ads, there is another option that you can do, which is that just promote it in your social media accounts. I prefer TikTok, but you have to not TikTok should not realize that you are using them for promotion to your e-commerce or commercial business stuff. TikTok should not realize that, because TikTok will not make your stuff go viral if you are just using them for your commercial business, because they need you to pay for ads if you want to use that. But what you need to do is introduce yourself as a customer, as someone who is just trying the product, but you are going to complement in the product so people can buy it from you, from your link, which is your store, by the way. Just don't make the name of your store the same name as your TikTok account. And include in bio your link to the store, and that's it, I guess. You can include your website here too for ads, Facebook ads and TikTok ads, but this one is better if you know how to use it. This TikTok made me buy it. You're gonna go ahead and do the TikTok made me buy it challenge or trend, so you can sell your product. So that was the video. I hope it was helpful, even though I don't think many people will understand what I'm saying right now, but this strategy is working 100%. So you can go ahead and try it, or just leave it for other people that are willing to try it. It's a winning strategy, trust me. So Kira was here. Take care. This is the end of the video. And remember, I always encourage you, if you have a capital of money, I always encourage you to not use that money in my stuff that I show you out on my YouTube channel. Just try the free trial on the Shopify website, and then try the strategy that I show you with the TikTok commercial. Do not pay for ads, just try it. If it didn't work, then you choose to pay ads or do whatever you want. All I'm telling you is, do not pay for the stuff right now, for now, as a start.